Hello, so I wanted to give a quick tutorial for a couple of things you're going to run across in this lab. So a lot of the labs ask you to record and talk about some of the things they ask you for. So identifying different organs of that body system of that week, and then in a recording discussing its functions. That's pretty much what you'll run across through most of the labs. So you guys can use your cell phone to record. You can use a different computer program that you have. I use the Screencast-O-Matic. So the website's up here. I'll also list the website in the post. But I think the first time you have to download the software to your computer. So just hit the Start Recording for Free button. It does download something to your computer, like I said. But then, this might just be my computer issue, but it puts a little icon on my computer, and I can't use that icon. So every time I just have the web address saved right here, and I just always have to go through the web address and then start recording for free. But then it uses the software downloaded to your computer. So anyway, so when you download it and you start using it, you can't see it because I'm using it, but if you look up here in the picture that they have, it sticks this dotted box around your screen, and then that's the area you're recording. So you can make that your whole screen, you can make it a smaller portion, and then you can pick, do you want it to record your screen, your webcam, so just your face, or both. It's up to you guys whether or not you just record the screen or both like I'm doing. It just puts a little picture of yourself down at the bottom. Up to you. Just don't use the webcam only function because I need to be able to see that you were able to identify the right organs in the body. So the website you guys are using is called ZygoteBody.com. So there's the website at the top. Again, it's linked in your labs, and I'll link it in this news post. But a couple of the features, I just want to walk through real quick. So you don't need to sign up for anything. You don't need to subscribe to anything or buy the full package or whatever. If you notice over here, I'm not signed in at all. And I can use all the functions that we need for the lab. So, couple things. So it defaults for a female. If you want to go to a male, you can switch between a female and a male right here. The component function, you have to pay for all of this. You're not going to need it. There's no reason that you would need to pay for that. And then this scroll bar right here, so you can scroll through and you can start removing the different layers of the body, different body systems, taking them away slowly. Sometimes this is great. Sometimes it removes what you wanted to look at and then leaves the things you don't want to look at. So this is always fun to play with. Down here, so it gives you the option to scroll from left to right or right to left. If you scroll all the way to the left, it removes that system, and all the way to the right puts the system back in. So this is nice because you can partially remove a system, and then, you know, different systems, right? So, say I want to take out cardiovascular system, but put in the skeletal system. So, the side-to-side function allows you to do that, whereas the other one didn't, or the up and down one doesn't. So, let's see, another function that is important is being able to remove organs specifically. So like, let me zoom in. If I want to find the pancreas, it sits back here behind the stomach. So I would have to remove the stomach. So if I can click on the organ, it tags this for me. So if I hit the little eyeball, it removes it, right? So now I'm able to find the pancreas. So when you guys are doing your labs, you'll need to pin these. So that's the little pin. So now, if I remove as many organs as I want, that pancreas stays. Or anything I pin stays. So I know there's one that talks about labeling the 6 organs of the digestive system. So you would pin all 6, right? And we can move these pins wherever we want. pin all 6 and then record your video of you talking about their functions and things. So I did hide the stomach. If I hid more things, like the liver, and I hid the heart. If I want to unhide it, I can always hit the unhide all button here at the top, and that'll unhide all of it. These things stay pinned until you actually unpin them. Okay. The other thing, I believe the last thing I was going to talk about is the search function. So if you absolutely cannot find an organ, the lungs. If you cannot find the lungs, okay, you can search for it and then pin them here. The only thing I ask is that you're not recording your presentation or your lab and trying to search for these organs at the same time. Yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to go through. Everything over here except for the hide all function, or the unhide all and the search function, you have to pay for all of this, so I wouldn't really worry about that. I believe that's everything. If you guys have any questions, please shoot me an email. You guys have my email. Yeah, I think that's it. Great, thanks.